This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Kia Forte in neutral. First, ensure your vehicle is on a completely level surface for safety. Next, locate the small shift lock release button or slot, usually found near the gear selector. Before doing anything else, firmly press and hold down the brake pedal with your foot. This is a crucial first step for safely engaging neutral. With the brake pedal still pressed, take a small flathead screwdriver, a key, or a similar tool. Carefully insert it into the shift lock release slot. Gently press the tool down to disengage the lock mechanism. While keeping the tool pressed, move the gear selector from park all the way to the neutral position. You should feel a distinct click. Once you have moved the gear selector, look at your dashboard display. It should clearly show the letter N indicating that the vehicle is in neutral. Slowly and carefully release the brake pedal to confirm the car can roll freely. Remember, always re-engage the park gear or apply the parking brake immediately after you are finished. For your safety, never attempt to shift your Kia Forte into neutral while the vehicle is moving at high speeds. This could be very dangerous. If you need to leave the vehicle unattended, even for a moment, always apply the parking brake firmly. For any specific questions or unique features, always refer to your Kia Forte's owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.